Hi Somas, welcome to my Monday update. What's coming up in class this week is a delicious class that is, I've just done it actually, it feels so good. A delicious class for if you ever kind of feel a little bit agitated and tense. So I've created a class, there's some influences from Feldenkrais and also the rhythmic movements that I've shared before, together with some somatic practices. So it's a great class if you're feeling agitated, you want to find a way of how to get that out of your system and also calm down as well. Last weekend I was in the Peak District with Wild Strong, rolling around on the floor, learning how to roll, finding balance, building strength, all outside, do some great fun things with an amazing group of people, and Gillian and Andrew at Wild Strong are a great team. Their training is excellent. So I'll be sharing more of that over the coming weeks. I'm back again training with them in October. I'm really looking forward to doing that. So hope that you have a great week. I hope you can join me in class or later in the week when I'm teaching this at Central Wellness, or find my classes and my courses in my on-demand library. All right, take care, have a great week.